everybody, this is Nora and I am back with the reveal of on how the voting went with the Beauty Big Bang's brand new stamping plates, and I am going to go in the order on how they were voted on. So the first ones to win are the 011 and the 013. I went ahead and wrote the numbers on the outside of the sleeves. So yes, I am going to start with these two. So I'm going to go in pairs, so that way I will have a series of 3 different videos for the 6 plates. Okay, so yes, as far as I'll go ahead and give you the order of the others. So for those that had been looking for the next video, it's going to be stamping plate number 016 and number 015. And then the last video, but not the least one, will be the 014 and the 012. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with these two. And the first two were, the first one was the one with the beautiful botanical images. Check them out. Oh, and yes, I've not removed the blue film from the plates yet, but I don't know if you can tell, there's another little face there. Check it out. It's another little lady's face. So pretty. I just noticed that when I was taking a closer look at these. So I am going to do a design with this plate, and I'll also do something with this. Is the one with the little doggies and the kitties. But I am going to do swatches with a few images from the 2 different plates, maybe images that I won't use on the design for today. So let's go ahead and get started with this. Alrighty guys, so here you guys have it. These are my simple designs using both of these plates. Don't they turn out beautiful? And you can see how crispy these images are. I mean, look at that. Look, this is, I really wish I could fit that in my entire nail. Not only length, but width-wise. Oh, I feel sometimes like I miss out so much of the width of an image because my natural nails are so much, I mean, I can go all the length I want, but I can't make them any wider, right? Look at those beautiful butterflies, the flowers, the bees, and then on the little doggy and cat. And I love this image. That's another one I wish I could fit all in one nail. Take a look, it's so cute. And this one, I have to tell you, when I looked at it on the stamping plate, I had no idea what it was. I mean, like the entire silhouette, I was like, is it a nose or what in the world? It wasn't until I stamped it that I realized, see, you know how doggies get on their, they bring the little butt up and put their front legs they kind of squat down in that playful mode. That's what it is, and he's wagging his tail. That's, I realize. And then here's some more, and those little garland, I think this is over the little kitty, so I think you know how cats like to play around with anything that dangles and hangs. And so I did just a simple mani on both hands. If you're wondering about the base, this is the BBB XL-011 that I did a swatch on the previous video. But yes, I stamped this with Beauty Big Bang's navy blue metallic. Pretty cute. And then on this hand, I decided to only do those 2 images, and just for this I use Funky Fingers white. Obviously good quality on these stamping plates. Yes, I do have a discount code where you can save 10% discount on Beauty Big Bangs, and I will have the links down to these plates down in the description bar below. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these beautiful plates to play with and review. If you guys have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. If you guys like my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.